Hi, today in front of me Nokia G60 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. And now we can see here that the Google Assistant is activated. And if you want to turn it off, you should click here to this turn off icon, power off icon, and you can use it from here. But if you don't want to use the Google Assistant and you want to use only your power key to turn off the smartphone, you should open the settings, scroll down to the system, click down here to the gestures and tap to press and hold power button. Now we should turn off the switcher, and now let's press power key and we can here open only the power off menu. So just to turn it off, click to power off icon, wait a second, and now we can see that the device is turned off successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.